Packages can be created so that when a package is selected for a visit, the visit can be automatically billed with the specified components, e.g. procedures, investigations. Go to the Reports page. Scroll down and click Package Design to start designing a package. Packages will be listed here and can be selected for editing. Let's create a package named package A'. Enter the package name here. Specify the consultation fee here. If there is no consultation fee for this package, enter 0. These are the individual investigations that can be included in this package. In this example, we select Eupheme. The price follows the default prices set in Default Investigations Prices. This price can be changed for this package if required. Ultrasound scans can be searched and selected here. Note that only ultrasounds with templates saved in Imaging Templates can be searched and selected here. Click Add to include the selected ultrasound scan. The ultrasound scans for this package will be listed here. To add more ultrasound scans to this package, search, select and click Add. Click Remove to remove this ultrasound scan from this package. Note that chest X-ray is added under Individual Investigation above. This section is for X-rays other than chest X-ray. Search, select and click Add the same way as in the ultrasound scan. Note that only X-rays with templates saved in Imaging Templates can be searched and selected here. X-rays in this package will be listed here. Group/packaged investigations can be selected in this Group 9 section. Procedures can be searched, selected and added into this package as well. For injections and medicines, after searching and selecting the item, the quantities need to be specified. For this injection selected, the default quantity and unit is filled. These can be changed if necessary. The final price for injection will be automatically calculated, but still can be changed manually if necessary. For medicines, the quantity and unit must be specified. The final price for medicine will be automatically calculated, but still can be changed manually if necessary. To add anything else, it can be added under Others. Note that items added as Others will not be part of itemized billing and will be grouped together as Others in the receipts/invoices. This is the final price of this package. Click Save to create this package. To view or edit packages, select from this list. To edit, change accordingly and click Save. To remove this package, click Delete. Now let's see how this package is used. Go to the registration page. Click the waiting list icon. This waiting list can also be accessed in the patient page. This white box indicates that there is no package or note saved for this visit. Click this white box. The packages available will be listed here. Select a package and click View to see the content of this package. These are the components in the selected package. To use this package for the visit, click Enter. Package cannot be entered for any visits that have been opened or edited in the patient page. So ensure packages are entered before updating the visit in the patient page. Note that this process cannot be undone. If entered by mistake, the components must be removed one by one in the patient page for this visit. The white box is now red, indicating that this visit either has a package entered or has notes saved. These are the notes for the visit. In the patient page, the package will be shown here. Click on this package to view more details. The details of the package will be shown like this. The components have been automatically entered. Let's see CXR that was automatically entered. Note that for components automatically entered, The results or findings must be updated. The placeholder auto entry, please update values will be inserted for the automatically entered components. Let's see another component in this package, Yefim. The results need to be updated once this component has been carried out. This is the group investigation entered automatically for the package. Unless changed, the total charges for this visit with package entered will show the same charges as the package. Let's see this visit in the collection page once finalized. Visits with packages will have the package details stated here under the staff notes. Packages can also be pre-booked via deposits. Click Deposits to prepay for one or a set of packages. Specify the date of this prepayment. Specify who is paying this prepayment here. Search and select the patients that are being paid for. Most of the time, from and for will be the same, unless the person stated in from is paying for multiple patients, group purchase/booking. Multiple patients can be selected to entitle for this prepayment. The patients entitled for this prepayment will be listed here. To remove a patient, click the respective X at the end of their names. Search and select the package under Package. And specify the quantity of the package here. The amount will be automatically calculated. Specify the mode of payment here. Enter any memo if required here. And click End to save this prepayment for this package. Prepayments/booking/deposits are considered payables until used up in the collection page, where it will be recognized as sales. To view or edit the prepayment, specify the period the prepayment is. And click List All. Select the prepayment from this list. The prepayment details will be loaded upon selection. To edit, change accordingly and click Edit to save. To delete, click Del. In the registration page, when mouse is hovered on DEP, the details of the prepayment/deposits will be shown. In the waiting list, patients that have prepaid packages will be indicated with this purple star. Click this purple star to view the package details. The available packages for the patient will be shown here, along with the availability and balance. Note the 3.0 of 3.0 available, this means this patient can use this package 3 times. To view and enter the package into this visit, select the package here. And click View. Once the content/components of this package have been confirmed, click Enter to automatically enter these components into the visit. Once the package has been entered for the visit, the purple star is now red. Click this red star to see the package entered. Now the package availability has been updated with the usage and the balance. 2.0 of 3.0 available means that out of the 3 packages prepaid, 1 has been used and balance is now 2 packages. In the collection page, once the visit has been finalized, the bill must be knocked off the prepayment. Tick DEP. And enter the amount to be knocked off the prepayment. The prepayment is only considered used when the visit's charges are knocked off via DEP. Details of the prepayment/deposits can be viewed under Patient's Deposits in the admin page. Click Account. Specify the period. And click Patient's Deposits. Details of all prepayment/deposits will be listed here. That's it. You're done.